service elevator at the Integrated Learning Center. I filmed this just a couple months ago. This has backup power, red outlet. No fan this time.
Yeah, so we're gonna have an epic motor going up.
Yep.
Sorry, what building is this?
This is a service elevator in the Integrated Learning Center.
Integrated Learning Center, okay.
Indicator is burned out. It may be slightly low on fluid, unfortunately. Not a very good sounding chime, but it sounds okay. Very nice motor. Capacity is 5,000 pounds. This is elevator number 3.
Yep.
All right.
Back into the liminal hallway.
Yep. Anyways, we're gonna let this thing go. Because now we, that's it.